Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For all the new subscribers, welcome. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Please press the bell so that you could be notified whenever I post. Welcome again and thank you for all your love and support. From the 1 subscribers, thank you. Today I will be making some seasoning, some jerk seasoning. So let me give you all the ingredients. I have some soy sauce, dark soy sauce, some sugar, oil, salt, I have lemon, I have some ketchup, cinnamon powder. This is the allspice. All right, garlic, onion, scallion, and I have some parsley. All right, ginger. I have some fine thyme here, which I get from Guyana, and this have ginger, rabp pepper, and some turmeric in here. Right? So what we're gonna do is start to. First, I'm gonna show you the. I'm gonna add more whole spice into this jerk seasoning. So I'm going to show you here. I have some whole spice here, which I'm going to grind. All right, using this grinder here, I'm going to show you guys. Stay tuned. And if I didn't mention, this is some vinegar. All right, I'm going to give you guys all the measurements and the ingredients in the description bar below. This is the whole spice that I'm grinding. So this is it. I'm gonna finish blending. All right. So I'm gonna use the blender now to proceed. So stay tuned. So now I'm gonna start the blending. I'm gonna add the vinegar. Without this vinegar, this can blend, and also the oil. All right, and I'm gonna cover this and start. The blender one time because it takes much more time. I'm trying the food processor because the blender is not doing a great job. So let me see what the food processor will do. So I add the onion, garlic, pepper, and the lemon, along with the scallion and the parsley. I'm going to add it here. All right. Then I'm going to mix everything else up with it. Let me see what job this is doing for me. So. Now this food processor, it's not blending the stuff the way how I expected, so I definitely have to end up going back over to the blender all right, because I can't put too much of it in the blender. I have to just blend a small amount at a time, which would take much more time that normal. Alright? Those have a lot of chunky inside of it, but this one is blended a bit smooth to blend down. I'm going to do that until it finishes, and then I'm going to finish completely blending all. I will be back. So now that I finished blending this up, look at it. It was a struggle. So I'm gonna add, this is some cinnamon powder, old spice, ketchup, soy sauce, sugar, salt. All right, and we're gonna mix this up along with some nutmeg. All right, nutmeg. I don't want to put too much of the salt into this, because remember, we normally season up we meat with salt, and if you're going to be using this with a lot of salt plus the salt from your season that you already had to your meat, it's going to spoil the taste of your pot. All right, so now if you want this mild, you just less pepper. If you don't want no spice, then no pepper. All right, this is good. And see, this is green, real green, because of this, the fine thyme that I bring from Guyana. It's much more coarser than we normally get here in America, so you would get this real green seasoning. All right, so this is it when it look like when it finished. Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, lemon. I blend the lemon, not just the juice, the lemon. I have some scallion, onion. All right, thank you again. See you in the next one.